Aloha YouTube, this is Aqua Ninja, and today I'm gonna give you a quick feature focus of things that I just realized in the setting notification tab. If you noticed in the Marshmallow and Android N, you can actually swipe down on a thing and get additional text and or features, right? We all kind of have known that, especially things like Hangouts, which is a perfect example where you can reply directly from that. And I talked about that in an earlier video, which I will have in the links in the description below. But the thing that we didn't exactly know, other than the fact that you could have additional options, is if you actually hold the button down, you can actually change the notification importance directly from the notification shade, which is amazing. All right, so let me actually go through and show you what these things essentially do. Aside from the fact that you can, still do all the other traditional options. So at the very basic, the bottom of it, it blocks the notification. So that way you don't have to go into the app and then go to app settings and then go through all that to go to this. You can just do it in one little click. If you don't like notifications from a specific app, boom, you can just block it. The next tile is minimum importance. It shows it, but it shows it at the very bottom of your list down there. So it doesn't really, annoy you or anything like that, especially if it's something that you tend to get a lot of. Say you're a popular person, you get a lot of Twitter notifications or Instagram, then it'll actually just make it so that it silently shows up at the bottom. Low importance, essentially the same thing as minimum, but it will show it wherever it falls into priority. So it could fall in the middle or the bottom, wherever it would naturally fall into place. Normal important, this is where typical Android has it set by default. So the notifications can make sounds or not, depending on if you have it on silent or not, and it'll just fall into wherever it naturally falls. Now here's where the interesting part comes. High importance actually makes it so that you'll have a little peek onto the screen, kind of like Hangouts, where it'll, depending on what app you're using, it'll still populate onto your screen and show you a little snippet of what's going on and then pop back up so that you can swipe down and do what you got to do from there, which is really cool. Peek on notifications are really cool, kind of like iOS. And the last one, this is actually a new one as well, is called urgent importance, where basically it will show at the very top, like the Hangouts is read message, and it'll allow you to actually hear the sound, and it'll also peek onto the notification. So basically, if it's something that's super important, you want to make sure that you don't miss, definitely set it to urgent importance. Like me personally, I like to, I'm not the guy who's getting a billion notifications every 5 seconds, even though it may seem like it. So I'll have everything at everything that I use that I want to get notifications from on high importance. That way it can peek onto my screen, just in case I'm busy doing something, I can see it. And I kind of like this little feature, this little setting right here that you can easily customize and control your tiles and apps straight from the notification screen. I really applied Google and Android M for incorporating this into it. As you can see right there, that was a new notification. And if I had been in this mode, it would have just, it would have came down like this, exactly like that, and then it would have went back up. So that was just a quick feature focus. If you guys have any other features you wanna hear about, just let me know in the comments or the emails. Thank you guys. I'll actually be reviewing all of the new Play Store apps. So just give that some time. I don't know if I'm gonna release them in like a one-day basis, or am I gonna just do them all in a huge flock. But I know I'm gonna get to that. So just stick around and you guys are gonna love it. Have an aqua day.